So this is the Korg Octotron, a Korg Monotron paired with an 8-step sequencer. Here's the front of it. We see you've got 8 steps for the control, voltage of each step, and then the master pitch of these steps. On the back we have audio out, audio in. This switches between audio in on all the time, or only audio in when there's a gate or voltage signal applied to the Korg Monotron. These are the power switches for both the Monotron and the sequencer. We've got a 9-volt battery to power the sequencer, and in here there's 2 AAA batteries to power the Korg Monotron. On the top we have the controls for the synthesizer, and as you notice it's only got 4-step LEDs. These are actually bi-coloured, so for the first 4 steps they shine red, and for the next 4 steps they shine blue. Here are the controls for the Korg Monotron. We've got the main pitch, LFO intensity, LFO rate. There we have the cut-off frequency of the filter, resonance of the filter. This switches between the LFO being applied to the filter or the pitch. Here are the start and stop buttons for the sequencer, the rate of the sequencer, and here we have CV voltage out of the sequencer, gate out of the sequencer, gate in a monotron, cut-off frequency of the monotron, and the gate, the pitch input of the monotron's circuit. So now I'll go in and plug it in. We've got it running through Ableton at the moment, so just plug in the audio jack to the audio output. Here I've got an MP3 player, which I'm going to use to demo the audio input mode, and of course we'll need a patch cable. What's quite an interesting feature of this sequencer, unlike the Baby 10 style of step sequencer, is that you can actually add additional steps into the sequence. Now this creates an arpeggio of some sorts based on the original steps in the sequence, and the lights, in some instances, will emit light from both diodes, creating pink. So now on the sequencer LEDs, there's actually 3 colours going, which look pretty sweet under smoke, and I think will accompany a setup on a stage pretty nicely.